กลับเข้าสู่มรดกโลกแกงกระจาน
I feel how this place has become an island of a cold and endless setting sun. Oh, longings going backwards to what was then, when the glorious shimmer surrounded the rising sun. You better stop it, you say, you better leave it that way. There's not too much to worry about the things you buried deep down in the past. Time runs too fast, but if you want